Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing power and connections so the dock can negotiate with your laptop immediately. First, confirm the dock's adapter wattage and attach it. This ensures stable charging and display support. Next, connect a monitor via HDMI or DisplayPort and plug in Ethernet or USB peripherals now before powering on. Once done, connect the docking cable to your laptop's port. If there are multiple ports, choose the full-featured USB-C with power delivery. This sequence avoids hot plug glitches and speeds detection. Once the dock and displays are connected, configure how you want the screens to behave. Open your operating system's display settings and select Extend or Mirror and set the preferred resolution and refresh rate. Lower rates can fix flicker. Then verify peripherals. Check keyboard, mouse, audio, and Ethernet connectivity. If devices are unrecognized, run the vendor's driver or firmware update utility. This often resolves USB hub or network adapter issues. Make sure to reboot after updates so all endpoints initialize correctly. Now finish by verifying system stability and performance. Confirm the laptop is charging, run an internet speed check over Ethernet, and test audio and USB devices. If something fails, disconnect and reconnect cables in a different order, swap the docking cable, or try another laptop to isolate the problem. For persistent issues, power cycle the dock and install firmware updates from the manufacturer. This clears glitches in the hub controller. If problems remain, note LEDs and behavior before contacting support for faster diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.